Hi friends, this is Bappa, your Excel friend. Welcome to a new video tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In our previous video, we have discussed about, in previous two videos, we have discussed about how to do calculation, how to add function or formula in multiple sheets, and even how to format multiple sheets just within one command. So today we will discuss how to do calculation based on multiple sheet, not in multiple sheet, based on multiple sheet. That means some data is one sheet in one sheet and another data is another sheet, and but also some data is in one sheet. Using function or formula how to pick the data from there. So what we will do here, suppose this is the profit out of sales. Asan Habib, month wise and product wise, this is the total profit he achieved for the company, and this is the total profit he got. Suppose I will make it a little bit larger. So it has been changed automatically. So this is the expenditure for against him, individual person. Suppose he this is the salary, this is mobile bill, this is DA, this is TA. If there is any other expenditure, you can add it here. Just by adding another column, you can add it here, then automatically that value will be added. Now I am not going to add anymore. Now I will calculate how much profit he gained for the company. I will make it. Okay, see, first of all, what we need to do, I will press minus equivalent sign, then I will select the total profit he gained, and then minus going to expenditure. What is the expenditure behind him? I've selected it, then enter or click here. Then see, this is the profit he made it. Now you can drag it. Those are the this is the statement. What is the profit against each salesman or employee? This way, in our previous videos, we have shown how to do calculation. That means how to do summation. That means add value. And today we have discussed how to do subtract. You can do multiplication, divide, or even you can use function, and you can do those calculation in any even multiple workbook. And even uh, if that workbook is anywhere else all over the world, but the thing is that computer and that folder or that file should be shared with you, and you should have the permission of that file. Then you can do the calculation based on different worksheet, different workbook, and even different workbook of another computer or another user. You can do you can use functions as well. Suppose this is the statement based on which we have calculated the how to find out the data based on ID. So we will do same thing in um, multiple sheet. Data is one sheet in one sheet, and then calculation the information we will pick to another sheet. So what we need to do, suppose I will remove the ID name, ID number, then okay, ID number is there. Then I will use here VLOOKUP function. Actually VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP uh, both works for the same purpose, but based on data you have to identify which function or is appropriate for this data range. Now from our understanding, we know here we need to use VLOOKUP. Now I will use here VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. In our previous video, one of our video, we have already discussed about VLOOKUP, and in another video we have discussed about HLOOKUP. If you missed that video, I will recommend you to first watch those videos, then come to this video. Then in that case it will be easier for you to understand. Now based on which information I will look for the I will search the data, I will look for the information, then I will select this. Actually this is the base information, then I will make it absolute by pressing F4 in keyboard, because I will drag the information function. After finishing this command, then I will press comma, then I will go to that table where the information is laying. So this is the data range which I will select. Then I will make it absolute as well, because I will drag it. Now I'm looking for the, as I'm in second row where the base information I'm looking for is name, then name is in second column, first column, second column. If name was were in fifth column, in that case I would use here 5. So here I will use 1 2, because information laying in second column. Now I'm looking for approximate match or exact match. So based on your working criteria and what type of information you are looking for, based on that you have to select whether you need true or false. Now I'm looking for exact match, that's why I will use here FALSE. Or what I can do, I can use here 0. 0 works for false and 1 works for true. Now I will close the bracket, I will hit enter, or I will go to tick mark, which means enter. Oh, his name is Labu Hassan. If I drag this, the all in every cell information will be same, because everywhere cell reference is 2. Column reference is 2. Actually, column reference should be for department 3. Now I will change it 3. Now it is commercial department. Now I will press it 4. He is senior executive. Now I will change it 5. Then he is working 18 years. Now I will make it 6. He is getting this much amount. He's single or married. Let's see. 7. Oh, he's married. So this way you can collect the information from different sheets. Okay, now if I change any ID, then what is the result? See, 30. Yeah, it is Tahmina Akhtar. She is working in merchandising department. She is senior executive. She is working 13 years. She is getting this much amount. She is married. Now if I change any other, I'm looking for suppose 15. Is Shimu Akhtar. She is working in HR department. She is also senior executive. She is working 14 years and she is getting handsome amount 82,000 and she is single. How come? Still she is single. She is working 14 years and she is getting handsome amount. You should get married, Shimu, as early as possible. And if anybody is interested, then you can contact with her. She is really good looking and she's pretty enough. So directly contact with her. Actually, I'm sorry, just I'm making fun. So this way you can do calculation in multiple sheets, and even you can pick the data from different workbook and even different workbook of multiple computer, any other computer. Again, I'm saying that the file or folder should be shared with you. If the computer is lying in America and you are working here, no problem. If that file is shared with you, you can pick the data from there. Hope you understand the video, and until the next video your friend will say you goodbye. But before that, if you have any confusion on this video, then I will request you to watch the video several times, and then after watching several times, if you have still any confusion, then your friend is ready to help you. And even if you have any more confusion which I'm not discussing in my videos, then let me know. I will try to solve your problem. So until the next video, your friend will say you goodbye.